On the show, I'm rolling out recipes, quick Old Year's night snacks, New Year's Eve, according to which part of the world you're from. But if you're home at Old Year's night, easy snacks to pull out. Thanks to the folks at Regal Products, they do an entire range of peas and beans. And black eye peas in the Caribbean is something that is very, very popular around Old Year's into New Year's. I think the myth goes, it brings good luck into the new year. So you must have black eyed peas. They mix black eyed peas and rice, a black eyed peas pilau, all kind of ways they do black eyed peas here in the Caribbean. Different parts of the region does it differently. But I am trying to do it even with a bigger twist. So, salsa. I am doing a black eyed peas salsa. So I'm going to put all the ingredients in a salsa. Remember I tell you quick snacks over the holidays. So all the ingredients that you would put in a salsa, kind of like chow-like almost. So I have some red onions. I'm going to get in there. This is so easy, guys. The hardest thing is the prep. I have to chop up all these red onions and all these peppers and things very fine. So that's the hardest part. But once you get the prep done, everything in a bowl. Red onions, some green peppers, bell peppers, some tomatoes, freshly chopped tomatoes, guys. Tomatoes is a very important ingredient in a salsa. And you have some corn straight out of the can. Yeah. And you kind of just mix everything together. And then finally, the star of the show, just to give it that little twist, you boil your black eyed peas, simple boil. You can salt it just how you like your black eyed peas, just to the bite. And you get all that good black eyed peas in there. Just for Old Year's night, so you don't play with the ancestors, according to the folks in the Caribbean. Make sure you get your black eyed peas into Old Year's, into New Year's. Look at the colors. Look at how beautiful. So this is all fresh, lovely ingredients. And all I want to do now is kind of season it up. So very liberal salt. So this is kind of now when you're making a chow. Think of a chow. You salt, your black pepper, season liberally. Shadow Benny. So you see how I tell you? Chow. It's like a chow. And I have some garlic that I'll get in my press. See how much I can squeeze in there. All right, he doesn't want to go in, so we leave him back. Fresh garlic goes in there. So you didn't even have to put on a fire. No need for the stove, and one snack is done. Now the good thing about this, if you're planning Old Year's night, and you're doing a nice little family get together, keep the numbers down. But this you can do, I would say probably the night before or the day before, because the longer this sits, the better the flavors get, and everything kind of comes together really, really nicely. Just want to take a little quick taste. So a little more salt. There's something about that black eyed peas, it's a kind of earthy, it's not everybody's favorite. Let me get another spoon. Not everybody's favorite, but there's something about it. I mean, especially I think around this time of the year, I feel for it. This is a nice, different way to have it. And guys, just for a little freshness, just about a quarter cup of lime juice. That really freshens it up nicely. And all you do now with this, as I said, have it overnight and you pile it in a bowl like this. Lovely colors. Isn't that beautiful? So much fresh ingredients. Nice way to get the year started. You could have it with chips. And all you do is just something similar like that. Okay. Mm-hmm. The freshness of the lime. All that wonderful seasonings. It's well salted, some shadow benny, fresh ingredients. Guys, try this one. Simple. Everything in one bowl. Serve it up with some chips. One Old Year's Night snack down. 2 more to go. We want to thank the folks at Regal for making it possible. Come on back.